I promise before God and this congregation to be a faithful and a loving husband until death do us part. I appreciate you.
Take you, June's Junior, and to be my husband. I promise before God and this congregation to be a faithful and a loving wife until death shall separate us. Amen.
To all of you out here, to our beautiful wife, Chico, princess, I shall love you forever. I shall keep you in my heart. In times of trouble and in times of happiness. I stole you from the family to keep you safe. Chico, I love you.
Parents, when those kind of words come, you've got no choice other than to respond. Yes, you can't.
June's Junior and or Juju. The dancer, the happy girl, the good person. You're very kind and you're very happy. And I pray to God that I will always support you, always love you, and no matter what, may God give me the guidance to know what to say to you, to support you and see you through. May you succeed in ways that you can never imagine. I pray, Lord, will open for you, and I hope that we'll come